Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Surf Shark 3x4 Clear Stamp Set. This cutie by Dustin Pike is perfect for those summer-themed cards, anyone who loves sharks or surfing. Let's take a closer look at this set. The shark measures approximately 2 3/4 inches wide by 2.5 inches high. You can color it with your favorite coloring medium, keeping it simple with a little shading, or you can add a lot of detail to this guy. Use the additional surfboard stamp to create a quick background by stamping with black ink and then coloring in those letters. You can pop the shark up off of that stamped background using mounting foam, add a simple sentiment from this stamp set, and you're done. Now in my second sample, I used all the stamps in this 3x4 set with a simple ink blended background. Let me know what you think of the Surf Shark stamp set in the comments below. For more information on the product in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the link in the description box directly below. Please be sure to join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.